Well, hello everyone. That's me, Austin Hendry. And today what you called, and that's why, was my unboxing Muppet Classic Theater in 1994 on VHS. Check out some, and this is for Blockbuster Video. Sure, you can have it. And so, it's the unboxing VHS of Muppet Classic Theater in 1994. This is for Blockbuster Video. This is on Videocassette and the Videotapes, guess that's one. From Disney and Jim Henson's, guess what? For the Walt Disney Company. And the Jim Henson Company, this does. Yeah, of course, easy. But, of course, $9.99. Blockbuster price. Cartoon collections of Disney. Sparta. Where 6 fairy tales take a wacky twist. Nice. That looks very good. Let's see. Previewed Bend, Oregon. I survived along with the last Blockbuster. That was nice. That was good. Anything. I love it. That's one. And here we are. Thanks for joining us, and this is Echoes, and that's one. With my unboxing of Muppet Classic Theater in 1994 on VHS Blockbuster Videos. I hope explains this, and I'll see you welcome for more. Goodbye. See you later. Have a good day.